How are you?
Good, mate. How you going?
Awesome. Pretty excited. Howdy.
Where am I looking?
Howdy.
Stop you. This isn't something that just begun. The relationship with cruise craft has been there for a very long time now. And a matter of fact, we grew up fishing out of cruise crafts. Holy shit. I'm gobsmacked. I don't know where to start. The old boy had us in Moreton Bay from the age of 2. I can remember being at kindy, being picked up and going straight to the bay, and that's sort of where the journey began. What this is a new chapter to our journey. Dude, this is next level. This is actually next level.
I never thought this day would come, me in a centre console. Fishing out of a cabin boat my whole life to an open boat has completely changed the game.
The reason for this boat was to expand our knowledge in fishing, to set new goals.
This boat has got it all for us. We can take it wherever we want. Bays, creeks, blue water, whatever you want, it's there. It's at your doorstep.
We've set this boat up to be able to do absolutely anything.
With this boat, there is no excuses. We've set new goals and we're here to achieve them.
We've already done a hell of a lot of fishing in this boat, and there's a hell of a lot more to come.